Today we're checking out the water pump for the 2011 to 23 5.7 liter HEMI Charger and the 2012 to 17 6.4 liter HEMI Charger. If your temps have been creeping up on you, you've noticed a coolant smell, or you just want to replace a questionable pump before it turns into an overheating problem, this is one of those maintenance upgrades that can save you a lot of stress in the long run, so it's definitely worth considering. A healthy water pump is going to be the heart of your cooling system because its whole job is keeping coolant moving through the engine and radiator so heat doesn't just stack up. When the pump starts to fail, you get issues like overheating in traffic, temps climbing faster than they used to, or coolant leaking, which can all lead to engine damage from overheating. Replacing it with a brand new water pump like this one is a straightforward way to bring things back to normal and protect the engine from running hotter than it needs to. This is a mechanical water pump designed to keep the coolant circulating efficiently through the engine block, radiator, and the hoses so heat can actually get pulled out of the system the way it's supposed to. This one's going to be very high quality, crafted using heavy duty aluminum. Another reason to go with something like this is going to be the perfect direct fit replacement. It's made to integrate cleanly with the rest of the factory components and bolt into the stock location, and it even comes with a new gasket and temperature sensor, so the whole system gets a refresh and you're not left guessing whether you need to replace these things or not. When it comes to the construction on this, you are getting a pump made from durable cast aluminum for strength and corrosion resistance. And it's designed as a direct fit assembly like I talked about that bolts to the factory mounting locations. The kit also includes a marine grade gasket and a high strength coolant temp sensor for a solid seal and a good thermal stability. As far as pricing goes on this, it's coming in right around the $200 price range. That's a fair price in my opinion for a brand new direct replacement pump that comes with the gasket and the temp sensor, especially when you consider how much damage overheating can cause if you try to ignore a failing pump or gamble on something cheap that doesn't seal well and doesn't last as long due to quality issues. Now when it comes to the install on this one, it's going to get rated a full 3 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter. You can get this job done in 1 hour of your time if everything goes smooth. Just take your time and make sure that the new gasket gets a proper seal and it's seated in the spot properly. If you aren't 100% confident in this one, just go ahead and hire a professional to get this one done for you. That's going to wrap up my review of the water pump for the 2011 to 2023 5.7 liter HEMI Charger and the 2012 to 17 6.4 liter HEMI Charger. And for all things Charger, keep it right here at American Muscle.